Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the Instinct responsive and readable. Press any button to wake the display. If it stays dark, hold the control button briefly to force a wake. Once done, check the battery percent at the top of the widget loop so you know power is sufficient. Low power can auto-enable saver features. Make sure you're not in Do Not Disturb or Nighttime mode, because those can hide settings. Now move immediately to the Settings menu to change power behavior. From the main watch face, press Menu and choose Settings. On some firmware it's labeled System, on others Controls. You navigate with up and down. When you see Battery or Power Saver, press Enter to inspect the active profile. Here you'll see toggles for Battery Saver, Expedition, and Ultra Track-like modes. Battery Saver often disables sensors and connectivity. Toggle the Battery Saver option off. This restores GPS sampling, heart rate, and notifications. Make sure to confirm. Once you disable Battery Saver, check the status icons. GPS, heart rate, and Bluetooth should reappear. Give GPS a minute to get a lock. If nothing changes, reboot the watch by holding the power/control button for 15 seconds and power up again. This resolves many state errors. If the saver snaps back on, make sure firmware is current via Garmin Connect. As a last resort, perform a factory settings reset, but back up any activity data first. That usually solves stubborn mode conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.